Welcome to the English countryside, where 500 acres of rolling hills and historic elegance meets world-class hospitality. Today, we're touring one of the UK's most iconic countryside retreats, the Four Seasons Hotel Hampshire. From its 18th century manor house to state-of-the-art wellness amenities, this property blends classic British charm with contemporary luxury. In this video, we'll explore the hotel's rich history, take a look at the accommodations, and experience the unique offerings that set this place apart. The Four Seasons Hotel Hampshire is located just an hour outside of London in the heart of Dogmersfield Park, a 500-acre estate steeped in history dating back to the Domesday Book of 1086. The centerpiece of the property is an 18th century Georgian manor, meticulously restored to retain its period architecture while seamlessly integrating modern comforts. Throughout the estate, you'll notice traditional stonework, sash windows, and original wood paneling, balanced by warm, inviting interiors and designed in soft, earthy tones. It's a setting that feels both regal and relaxed, combining the tranquility of the countryside with the refinement you'd expect from the Four Seasons brand. The hotel offers a thoughtful collection of amenities designed for rest and leisure. At the center of it all is the hotel's spa, a restored 18th century stable block now home to a serene wellness retreat with 9 treatment rooms, a vitality pool, and a bright indoor conservatory pool that opens up into the gardens. Outdoors, you'll find 2 tennis courts and acres of walking trails, perfect for exploring the manicured grounds and surrounding countryside. Inside, guests can unwind in the drawing room, where afternoon tea is served daily. These spaces retain their historic character with classic furnishings, fireplaces, and views that overlook the estate's gardens. The Four Seasons Hampshire offers a range of rooms and suites that reflect the charm of the estate, with understated luxury in every detail. The Manor Rooms, located within the original Georgian house, feature high ceilings, heritage-inspired decor, and large sash windows that frame the landscape outside. Inside, warm wood tones and soft textiles create a cozy yet refined atmosphere, and each room includes a beautifully appointed bathroom with a freestanding clawfoot tub, perfect for soaking after a day outdoors. The Ellis St. John Suites takes it a step further. This spacious suite offers a separate living area, elegant bedroom, and large marble bathroom, complete with its own clawfoot tub. Named after the family that once owned the estate, this suite blends traditional architecture with curated finishings and period artwork that reflect the home's heritage. The views from the suite stretch across the estate, offering a sense of space and privacy that feels distinctly English countryside. What truly sets this property apart are the immersive outdoor experiences. Guests can try clay pigeon shooting, guided by expert instructors on the estate's private grounds. It's a classic countryside pursuit that adds a bit of adrenaline to your stay, whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned shooter. Then there's horseback riding, one of the most popular activities here. The on-site equestrian center offers rides across the estate's scenic trails, with programs available for all skill levels. It's a unique way to experience the property, quietly, slowly, and completely immersed in nature. The Four Seasons Hotel Hampshire offers something rare, a true escape that doesn't sacrifice comfort or sophistication. It's a place to slow down, breathe in the countryside air, and reconnect. Whether that means morning rides through the fields, afternoon tea in the drawing room, or evening soaking in a clawfoot tub. If you enjoyed this tour, be sure to subscribe. We have more hotel videos coming soon, and let me know in the comments, where should we go next?